One old crypto is up 40% in the last 24 hours. Toncoin has flipped Cardano for the ninth largest cryptocurrency spot, but Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson reveals big plans for this year. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, is not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
NEO, the native token of the blockchain-based platform NEO, has surged 40% overnight to its highest point in a year, securing a spot among today's top-performing cryptocurrencies. At the time of writing, NEO is trading at about $20, with a 24-hour market volume of over $1 billion. Ranking at the 74th position in the top 100 crypto list, NEO approaches a market cap of $1.5 billion. NEO was founded as Ant Shares in 2014, but it was rebranded to NEO in June 2017. The blockchain-based platform supports two native tokens, NEO and NEO Gas. The NEO project's blockchain is designed to digitize identities and assets and use smart contracts to track and transfer ownership as a smart economy. According to analysts, NEO's price has jumped above the crucial resistance point at $16.92, the highest point on March 29th. It's also moved above the 50-day and 25-day weighted moving averages. Analysts suspect that the token will retest the important support at $19.31 and then resume the bullish trend. However, a break below the support level will signal the bears have prevailed, which could push it towards $16.92. A move above the crucial resistance at $22.40 will point towards more gains in the near term. Our partners at Serenity Shield have just had their token listed on BitPanda. They shared on X yesterday. Tomorrow at noon UTC, BitPanda Global will add a sprinkle of search magic to its platform. Brace for a tsunami of European traders riding the search wave as we plant a crypto flag firmly in European soil. They also just had a listing on BitGet last week on top of that. Serenity Shield is active in the field of digital private data storage. Their flagship data storage feature is the Strongbox option. It's like a decentralized Web3 version of Dropbox. With Strongbox, you're in control of your data, and that's especially important if this is private data. It also offers a crypto inheritance option. With this feature, designated people can access your stored seed phrases and passwords. Strongbox also offers military-grade encryption, so your confidential data is always safe and secure. At the same time, you can access it anytime you need to. As a result, your data is always under your control. Check out Serenity Shield and their BitPanda listing today with the link down below. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has his eye on two major upgrades, and at least one of them which is slated for this year, for the Cardano network, amid a recent flood of criticism over its native token and ecosystem. Hoskinson shared on X, "Seeing all the dunking on Cardano makes me smile a bit. We are holding all the cards as an ecosystem. We have the best path for scalability, governance, and innovation. We also have the best community. Chang is coming soon as measured by the progress on SanchoNet. Ouroboros is the biggest step towards solving the blockchain trilemma ever. Our research labs are scaling up. We're now at 209 papers with much faster research translation. I wouldn't bet against an ecosystem with the ability to engage and unlock millions of people, as an on-chain sovereign wealth fund, and has never failed in the 2,300 plus days of uptime 24/7. The problem with our industry is that we let short-term narratives and carnival barkers dominate the conversation. AI has the same issue. A few months ago, OpenAI dominated everything, then Claude 3, now we got Grok 1.5, and soon Llama 3. The winners have foundations that are built to last generations, and a community that respects and maintains those foundations. There is no substitution for this reality. Hoskinson's optimism was fueled mainly by the upcoming Chang hard fork, seen as one of the network's biggest hard forks since the 2022 Basel upgrade, and slated for the second quarter of this year. Chang is the first hard fork of the Voltaire era of Cardano's roadmap, which will introduce the concept of community-run governance to the blockchain by enabling on-chain community consensus and allowing Cardano's ADA holders to use their tokens to vote on proposals. It's seen as enabling the network to become fully decentralized by introducing community governance. Ouroboros is a new version of the proof-of-stake consensus model designed to increase throughput, scalability, and transaction speed on Cardano, will maintain the current level of decentralization. DYDX chain, the blockchain built to house the perpetual futures exchange DYDX, experienced a major outage beginning early on Monday morning. DYDX said the chain halt was caused by a scheduled V4 upgrade to the chain. After nearly 9 hours of downtime, DYDX released a fix for the software bug, and enough validators got on board that DYDX resumed block production midday on Monday. DYDX said the fix is not a state-breaking change, meaning that the software's compatibility with earlier versions of the blockchain will be preserved. However, DYDX's perpetual futures DEX remained operational throughout the chain halt. The Cosmos-built DYDX chain is an app chain or a blockchain built to support a specific application, in this case, DYDX's derivatives platform. And just recently, the DYDX community has voted to stake 20 million DYDX chain tokens worth about $60 million at current prices, with Cosmos staking provider Stride in order to boost the economic security of the network and encourage staking diversity among its community. The staked tokens will earn USDC rewards, which will be automatically compounded into more DYDX tokens, creating a flywheel effect for stakers. The yield from fees generated will be continuously used via Stride to buy DYDX, which will be returned back to the treasury. Stride welcomed the proposal and offered to charge fees of only 7.5%, a 2.5% discount from its usual fees of 10%. This proposal will boost the economic security of the DYDX chain while improving staking decentralization. An altcoin buzz investment project, Kima Network, is coming to Polkastarter. Kima is a decentralized blockchain-based money transfer protocol. It settles interchain transactions, enabling apps to build on what they're comfortable with and leave financial friction in the past. The Kima protocol defragments DeFi by providing an open infrastructure and building blocks for cross-chain apps, a robust technological infrastructure, pre-made functionality blocks, tokenomics, and apps. Blockchain protocols are siloed because of technical, financial, and regulatory obstacles. As a result, DeFi is a collection of fragments, liquidity pools, options, vaults, strategies, futures contracts, all of which are locked within the boundaries of the network and smart contracts. The result is poor user experience, limited functionality, insufficient liquidity, and high costs. To unlock value and increase adoption to reach a network effect, DeFi must become unfragmented. Services should be interoperable, interconnected, both cross-chain and off-chain, user-friendly, and smart. Kima recently shared on X saying, "Big news, Kima Network's IDO is coming to Polkastarter. The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here, and we have some exciting news to share. Kima Network's IDO will launch with our second IDO partner, Polkastarter, in May 2024. Get ready to redefine financial interoperability. Stay tuned for detailed updates and how to get involved in this historical event." Toncoin hit an all-time high of $6.50 on April 9th, following a monumental 20% gain on the day, outperforming every other crypto asset in the top 50. The big move has enabled it to flip Cardano and take the spot as the 9th largest cryptocurrency. Cardano, which is still down 80% from its 2021 peak, has been dumped out of the top 10, despite a 4% daily gain to 61 cents. Moreover, the social messaging platform Telegram native asset has made more than 150% gains since the beginning of March. There's been a lot of momentum for Toncoin recently, including Telegram's move earlier this month to ditch the euro in favor of its native TON token for platform payments. The rollout of TON payments for advertisers and crypto payouts for content creators on the messaging app triggered a surge in activity on the open network. The number of accounts on the network has almost doubled over the past month to around 12 million. However, it was a move into AI that catalyzed today's price explosion. The open network and biometrics company Human Code AI have inked a deal on a $5 million incentive program in TON for people to enroll in the firm's palm scanning proof of personhood system. The program allows TON community members and users to connect their wallets and scan their palms to get a share of the 1 million TON coins. Human Code AI co-founder Dong Zhang said solutions for proof of human tools are in great demand. While other proof of human solutions exist, Human Code's Palm system offers great user privacy protection and does not require specific hardware.